Hello guys, today's video I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Body Lava product, which comes in a box like this. So if you don't know what body lava is, it's like a body glow to make your body glow. You must have seen it on the Fenty Beauty website and all that. So, and oh my god, this is beautiful. Like guys, I've seen this in picture. This is my first time of removing it from the box. This came out last year summer and they relaunched it this year again. Look at that. This is the life right here. So they sent me this shade Trophy Wife. It comes with a pump and it also comes with a brush. You have to you buy the brush separately with the product, so it has a brush that you can use with the product like this. The face and body, like I said, this is a body highlighter. I don't know if you can use it for your face, but I'm going to use it underneath my foundation to make me glow. You understand? The glow of life, like I can't come and die. So it's a body illuminator, so I can use this for everywhere. I don't care, I don't want to know. Before I start, I'm going to start by using a primer. I'll use the Fenty Beauty primer. Mostly products I'm going to use on this clip are going to be by Fenty Beauty, so beware of that. And I might rush some of the clip because I just want to concentrate this video on the body lava, talking about it, and I don't want this video to be too long. No, not foundation. Let me take the body lava. I'm going to shake this up. So the Fenty Beauty body lava in the shade Trophy Wife. Oh my god, this is so moisturizing. I like that it's not chunky. It's very fine, very refined, if that makes any sense. Smooth on the face. Oh, it's so smooth. Lovely. Look at my glow. Can you see my glow? I don't know if this is meant to be used on the face, but if it's good for the body, it should be good for the face. I will use it for the face. So for foundation, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 420.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals.
The glow from this is beautiful, but I can still see the reflex, like a little, like you can still see the gold pimping through from the Trophy Wife. As I'm looking at my face, I can see the glow showing on my face, but it's not bad. It's not making anything look chunky or non-blended. Everything was blending in fine, but I can just see it. And my face is glowing. It's beautiful. I'm going to use the shade 390 to highlight and 470 to contour.
Make it last forever. Stop in time.
The lava on the side of my face and my nose. You can see the glow popping in, like trying to like release, like let me go. It's very beautiful. I like it. I like to apply the liquid first before setting my face with powder, because that way the product will not move around. Now I'm going to set my face using the Fenty Beauty powder, Pro Filter powder, in the shade Honey. Honey, honey. Okay, everything looks really glowing. I'm loving this, guys. Applying bronzer to my face just to bronze my face, like to bring the chocolate back to my chocolates. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty new bronzer. I'm just going to quickly do my eyes, brows, everything else. Just rush through this. Okay, sorry guys, I wasn't talking through the eye makeup because I just wanted to rush it and just get it done. So I'm going to use this highlighter. So I've already applied the Body Lava highlighter on my face so that you can see some glow on my face. So I'm just going to apply this highlighter on top of that. Just give me more, like to make me glow more. Understand? Get it? Get my drift. This lip liner by Sleek to just line my lip. I'll take one of my favorite lip color by Fenty Beauty. Take the Fenty Beauty lipstick and I'll top that up with the Fenty Beauty gloss bomb. Yeah. I'm really into nude now. I don't know Like there's something about it, and glossy lip. What I'm going to do now, just on my face, I'm going to like set my face in place using the Too Faced Hangover Setting Spray. So now I'm going to move to the body. I'm going to drop this down, just apply some glue to my body. I'm going to take the body lava, the brush. I like this a lot. This is really nice. Well, it's gorgeous, and they have other shades, so Trophy Wife is not the only shade that they have other shade. I'll leave the number of shade on the description bar. Okay guys, I've applied the body lava on my body, and you can see the glow is real. Like I'm glowing from the face to the body. Like, can you see that? Let me come close. Feels good to look like a goddess, you understand? This feels good. Like anytime I use body glow right now, I'm like feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. The Fenty Beauty body lava is a yes for me. Like the formula is really fine and it blends in really well. Like blend in, it transfer, like it transfers. So be careful. Be careful, it transfers. So, and it's a bit tacky on the hand, but I feel it's going to dry down, so it doesn't really transfer that much, but if you tap it, it's going to be on your hand. So yeah, so I'm just going to spray my body. There's nothing wrong with a good glow. Like this is a good glow to the body, to the face. So I don't know if people use the body lava underneath their foundation. For me today, it worked really well. I look good, I feel good. Like, yes. Hey. I look good, I feel good. Like, this is the Fenty bit. All details of all the products will be at the description bar. I know it might be a bit pricey because yeah, it's pricey, but it's really worth it. Like if you like live in a place where the sun is out, not like in the UK that the sun will not, like the weather will not let us live our best life. But during the summer, I'll be rocking this all over my body. I don't mind. I will shower with this. I will ask you, what do you think about the product, the Fenty Beauty Body Lava? If it's worth the price, if you've tried it, let me know what you think about it. If you are going to buy it, let me know what you think, because this is not new. This is like, this is old. This is not new anymore. There are a lot of reviews out there already, but let me know what do you think. How do I look with it? I look glowing. I just look glowing. Do you like it like I use it underneath my foundation? Let me know at the comment section, okay? Let me know if I'm not crazy, all right? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember what I always say, be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remain blessed. Bye, guys. Have a nice day.